Hey, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I am here in Wheeling at new apartments here right by the downtown center. Great places. And just got a quick VLM, very little moisture carpet job here. And some upholstery, gonna be doing both that couch and that chair there. And right now I've pre-vacuumed everything. And then we're gonna go into the scrubbing process here. We use the carpet scrubber with the pad. And then after that, we're gonna be extracting using the bonnet. We've already pre-sprayed it with our special pre-spray. Smells great in here. And this is gonna look wonderful. Excited to see how this turns out. So I'm gonna get started with the scrubbing and then I'll catch up with you at the next step. All right, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I have just caught myself up here. Actually wrapped up the hallway, went down there, cleaned that. Now I'm working on the dining room, cleaned that, and the living room here. You can see the scrubber, the bonnet that is gonna be cleaning it here. So this is a clean one here, and I'm gonna spray just a little bit of solution on one side of the pad to make sure it floats and scrubs on the carpet nice and evenly. The carpet is already damp. I don't need much, just a little bit to get it started here. And take a look at that, and then we'll get to some of the extraction process here. I already went over this part with the scrubbing pad. And now, set this down on here. Let's loosen this here. Get this to the right height. And here we go. Swing it back and forth, nice and easy. 360-degree rotations per second is what you get out of this machine, in case you were wondering. It's called a 175. And it's not a high-speed scrubber, so this is a slower speed one. But that's all you need. Come down here. It's the entryway here. I'm sure we're going to extract a lot of soil just because it's the entry. A lot of shoes coming in. A lot of feet. So area like this that's a little dirtier, I'll probably go over twice just to really pull as much, extract as much dirt as I can out. And then the solution we're using, Carpet Details, is fantastic because it's gonna dry and it's already encapsulated all the soil that's on the carpet fibers, and whatever I can't pull out with my bonnets is going to be vacuumed up in the next six to 8 weeks, or next 6 vacuums. All right, so I'll get this here. Now let's take a look, and let's look at this pad here and see how dirty it is. Here, I'm just gonna pull this up. Okay, look at that. And that's what it was before. Beautiful job. So because this is so dirty, I'm gonna flip it over here. We're gonna hit this spot again, just because I wanna make sure I get as much out as I can.